In today's video, I'm revealing the one stock I'm aggressively buying before October 2025. While Wall Street sleeps on it, this company has nearly tripled its revenue since 2018, but the stock is down over 20%. That's a massive mispricing the market hasn't caught on to yet. I'll break down exactly which company this is, share my price targets, and because investing is all about balance, I'll also give you two other plays with huge upside potential. This is for educational purposes only, none of this is financial advice, so always do your own research and understand the risks before investing. With that being said, let's dive in. Starting off with the first stock on our list, which is Alibaba Group Holdings, ticker symbol BABA. It's currently trading around $162, which is down almost 50% from the highs we saw in 2020. But with Jack Ma making a return and renewed interest from serious investors like Michael Burry, the company is back on the radar. If momentum continues, the upside potential here could be significant. Of course, nothing is guaranteed. This is just my personal opinion based on research. But it does raise an interesting question. If it does go up, how high could it go? To answer that, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool, which looks like this, and the way it works is as the price starts climbing up, these levels of the Fibonacci are where we tend to see the price find resistance. So we usually see it going up to one of these Fibonacci levels, pulling back a bit, going up to the next level, retracing, and so on. Knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some profits around these key Fibonacci areas, which enables them to secure some profits and also buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So based on this, what are some areas where we could see Alibaba find some strong resistance in the future and where we might want to consider locking in some profits? The first Fibonacci level would be around here, which is $206, and the level above this is going to be up here, which is $275. There are some price targets above these two as well, and I'll talk more about those in future update videos as the price approaches these two targets. It's important to remember these are not guaranteed to be hit. They are targets based on the Fibonacci, meaning if the price starts climbing up, these are the areas where we could see strong resistance. So locking in some profits around these key levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. Having an exit strategy is very important as it enables you to make the most of runs like this, and it also gives you opportunities to lock in profits before heavy retracements. The only thing worse than not locking in profits when the price is up here is initially getting in here and watching the price plummet straight away. This does not feel good, but there are tools we can use to reduce the chances of situations like this happening. And one of those tools is the Fibonacci retracement, which looks like this, and the way it works is as the price starts retracing, these levels of the Fibonacci are where we tend to see the price find support before it bounces back up. Knowing this, investors using this tool like to either buy or dollar cost average down around these key Fibonacci areas, which enables them to have an average entry price as close to the bottom of the retracement as possible. So based on this, what are some areas where you might want to consider either entering Alibaba or potentially adding more to your position? The first entry point is around $143. The level below this is around here, which is $135. And the third entry level is going to be down here, which is $127. So initially getting in at the higher Fibonacci level and dollar cost averaging down at the lower levels if the retracement continues down to these could be an entry strategy you might want to consider. Now, if you're thinking, okay, these entry points and the price targets make sense, but I don't have the time to constantly keep an eye on the price, to catch it when it hits one of these key levels, then don't worry because I've got a free solution for you. I've got this free service that you can sign up for, and I'll send you alerts as soon as the price hits our entry points and also our price targets completely for free. The link to join this is going to be in the description below, but don't worry about signing up now. Feel free to continue watching this video and I'll remind you about this at the end. So Alibaba was the first stock on our list. Let's now take a look at the second stock, which is Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM. It's currently trading around $247 and this stock has strong upside potential as well. Here are my price targets based on the Fibonacci extension. The first level is going to be around $335. The level above this is going to be around here, which is $364. And the third price target for Salesforce is going to be up here, which is $402. From where it currently is, if the price was to climb up to this target, we're looking at a 62% growth, which is not bad, but we can see even better returns if we can secure some cheaper entries. So let's now take a look at the Fibonacci retracement to get some entry points. Here's what the retracement is looking like for CRM, and the price is currently below most of these Fibonacci levels, meaning the current price is a decent entry, but an even better entry could be around here, which is $230. So Salesforce was the second stock on our list, and you probably noticed that I'm using technical analysis to break these down. Some people trade based on the news, others focus on earnings, and then there are those like myself who stick to charts and indicators. There are lots of different ways to invest, but if you're wondering which strategy performs the best, the one that's given me the biggest edge is investing alongside key US politicians. Over the past few years, this approach has consistently outperformed everything else I've come across. When certain politicians make moves in the market, it often signals something bigger, and being able to track that has made a huge difference in my results. If you're curious about how it works, I put together this free video that walks you through the exact strategy I use, including real trade examples and the returns it's delivered over the last 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below. Feel free to check it out if you want to see how powerful this strategy can be. Coming back to the third stock on our list, which is AMD. It's currently trading around $157, and based on my research, it could also have significant upside potential. To figure out how much potential, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool again, which looks like this, and some areas that you might want to consider using as price targets are going to be the following. The first level is going to be around here, which is $212. The level above this is going to be up here, which is $249. And the third target is $356. So as the price starts climbing up, locking in some profits as it gets to these key areas could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. But before we can exit, we need to enter, so let's now take a look at the Fibonacci retracement for this. Here's what the Fibonacci retracement is looking like, and some areas that you might want to consider using as entry points are going to be the following. The first entry point is going to be around here, which is $140. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $120. And the third entry point is going to be around $90. I will be making update videos on these three companies as the price approaches key areas. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll also be bringing you the best investment opportunities multiple times a week, so that's another reason to subscribe. Also, if you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. If you have a hype button, tapping that would also be super helpful. If you would like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to this free video explaining everything is in the description below. Feel free to check it out if you're interested. As promised, this is your reminder to sign up for the free alerts. The link to join this is also going to be in the description below. If you have any thoughts on these free companies or want to share some stocks that have been catching your attention recently, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below. It would be good to learn about those. And if you'd like to watch another video where I talk about an energy stock that could win big from AI, then feel free to click on the video that's currently on your screen. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.